Hello everyone. Our today's lecture is all about the interfaces. Now what are interfaces in SAP? Now what is the difference between an interface and a class? Now in case of interface, we have the same provision for providing the method, same provision for providing the parameters, same as that of class. But in interface you can never write the logic. In case of class you can write the logic. Now what is the second difference between interface and a class? In case of by default interface are always public, but a class can be public, private, protected or abstract. Now what is the difference or between interface and class? Interface you can never write the logic, but in class you can write the logic. Interface are by default public, but in a class you can declare it as private, public, protected or abstract. Now for creating the class we have the transaction code SC24. For creating the interface we have the again transaction code SC24. Now suppose my name of the interface is Z interface underscore 1. Suppose I will click on this create button. I will go for second radio button interface. Suppose my interface description is interface. Now I will click on this save button, local object. Now we have the same screen as that of class. Now what is the difference? There is no button for writing the logic. Even we don't have the option for giving the method visibility, means it public, private or protected. By default all will be public. Now suppose I am declaring one method change. Now suppose this is a instance method. Now I will check. Now I will go for the parameter. Now suppose in this method I am taking one parameter p value. Now suppose this is of changing type. Suppose it is of character 1. Now I will check for the syntax. I will activate this interface. Now we have created the interface. Now we will create classes which will use this interface. Now what is the relationship between interface and classes? Multiple classes can use the same interface. So relationship between an interface and class is that one interface can be used in multiple classes. Suppose I am creating one class. Suppose Z class 1. Now I will click on this create button. Class. I will go with usual ABAP class. I will click on this save button. I am saving this as a local object. Now we have the interface tab. I will go for this interface tab. I will provide the name of the interface. My name of the interface is Z interface underscore 1. Now I am pressing enter. Now whenever you are providing the interface name here, the methods of that interface is automatically appearing in the class. Now we have the interface name is this, and in this method we have given the parameter change. Now if we will go for parameter, this parameter p value is automatically appearing here. Now suppose I am activating this class. Now in this class I have the provision for writing the logic. Suppose I am providing p value is equal to x. Suppose I am activating this class. Now suppose I am creating one more class, Z class 1 underscore class 2 underscore 2. Now I will go for class. I will again class 2, save, local object. Now I will again go for interface tab. I will provide the same interface name here. Now if I will go for methods, the same interface is appearing here also. Now suppose in this class I am giving the logic. Suppose p value is equal to z. Suppose Now I will save this, I will activate this. Now this is the relationship between a interface and class. We are extending all those classes with the help of interface, or interface is used to extend all those classes. So whenever you have a requirement in which single interface can be used in multiple classes, means you want to use the same definition in multiple classes. So rather than going for individual classes and declare the same method in again and again, create one interface with those methods and parameters and use those interface in multiple classes. So this is the major benefit of the interface. So at the conclusion is that what is the difference between interface and class? In interface you can never write the logic, in class you can write the logic. Interface is by default public, but classes are public, private, protected and abstract. Whenever you have this kind of requirement in which you have the same method and parameter, create one interface and use those interface in multiple classes. So this is all about the interfaces.